Hello everyone! In this video, we will see about the data preparation. So first, add an index file field Python. Import pandas as PD. Pandas is widely used for data manipulation and analysis in Python. Pandas provides a powerful data structures like data frames and series that make handling and analyzing structured data easier. And as PD means we are creating an alias PD for the library, so you can refer to the pandas function using PD dot instead of pandas dot throughout your code. Now sample data. Here we are creating a dictionary with the name data with two keys, name and age, and each key maps to the list of values. A name maps to a list of strings representing names, and age is mapped to a list of integers representing ages. Now create a data frame. Data frame is used to convert the dictionary data into pandas data frame, that is a two-dimensional tabular data structure with the rows and column. Now df index adds a new column named index to the data frame and fills it with the existing row index values. This allows the row indices to be a part of a data frame as a separate column. And print df is used to print the data frame. So when we run this following code, then we get this output. Now moving on to the second, change misleading field values in a Python. Now import data. Now import pandas as PD. Pandas is a library of a Python which is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis in Python. It provides a tool to work with data structures like data frames and series. Now we will again create the data frame with the key name and age, that is mapping to the list of string, and age is mapping to the list of integers. Now replacing a misleading values. This line updates the age column by replacing specific values. Replace sorry. Okay, so replacing misleading values. So in this line updates the age column by replacing specific values. Replace 25 colon 26 means replace all instance of 25 with 26. The change is applied directly to the age column. And print data is used to print the data frame. And after running this code, we get the following output. Okay, now moving on to the third. Re-express categorical fields values Python. Import pandas as PD. We are again importing the pandas library which is used for data manipulation and analysis. Example data frame, creating a data frame from a dictionary having the key name and age, and name is mapping to the list of values representing string, and age is mapping to the values of an integer, values that are integers. Now, a categorical data type is used for variables that take a limited fixed number of values. So, as type category converts the name column from a string type to a category data type. This conversion is particularly useful when a column has a limited number of unique values and is used for classification or grouping. Print data d types is an attribute of a data frame that displays the data type of each column. So when we run this following code, we get the data types of each column. Name has data type category, age int, and d type object. Now moving on to the fourth, standardize numeric fields Python. From sklearn preprocessing, import standard scaler. Standard scaler from sklearn preprocessing is used to scale features by removing the mean and scaling to unit variance. Pandas, now we will import the pandas which is used for handling data in the form of data frames. Example data frame. A data frame data is created with two columns, name and age. Name contains string values representing people's name, and age contains numerical values representing their ages. Standardizing age column. Now scalar equal to standard scalar function initializes standard scalar object which we will be used to standardize the data. Now scalar dot fit transform is combination of two steps. Fit function computes the mean and standard deviation of the column specified, in this case the age column. The transform uses the mean and standard deviation computed during fitting to standardize the values. The age column is then updated with the standardized values, and print data is used to print the data. After running this code, we get the following output. Now fifth, identify outliers. From scipy.stats import z-score. Z-score is a library used to compute the z-scores of a data series, which standardize the data and helps identify how many standard deviation a value is from the mean. And import pandas is pd. pd is used to create and manipulate the data frame. Now we will create example data frame. Now we will create a data frame with from the dictionary having the keys name and age. Name contains name of individuals, and age contains the numerical values representing age of a people. Calculate z scores for a age. Z score function is used to compute the z scores for the age column. This line outliers equal to data z score dot absolute greater than 2 filters the data frame to find rows where the absolute z score is greater than 2. And print outliers, this prints the rows of a data frame where the z score exceeds the threshold of 2. After running this code, we get the following output. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching.